Oh, hey, here I am enjoying awesome Orlando weather. I might even get my head sunburned. Watch out for that. I know you guys like tool trucks, so let me show you a little tool truck that I encountered over here. I tell you what, I would not want to have to inventory this thing. And we're walking, and we're walking, and we're walking. This thing is a beast. Let's finish the walk around here. Here's some of my tool truck brothers.
Damn good sauce, man.
Did it twice, just to make sure.
They don't say it's not
Super amazing.
There's a condo pulling a warehouse.
So, if that wasn't cool enough, to my knowledge, this truck is owned by Cornwell, and one of its major jobs is to, major jobs is to pull inventory from the Ohio warehouse to the Utah warehouse. And that's all her main job is to do. And she's been working overtime, getting all kinds of miles, delivering our toolboxes and all kinds of things. So anyway, that's a tool truck.